Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install the VS Code. For this you have to go to Google and search VS Code, then click. After that you can go to the official side of the Visual Studio and click on this link. The downloadation is very easy. Just go for this button, download for Windows, or click here if you want to download for Mac or another operating system like Linux. If you want to download it for the Windows 64-bit, then just click here to download the software. So after a few moments, the downloadation will be started. Just click on Start Download. So it depends on your net speed. After a few seconds or minutes, it will be downloaded. Okay, now it is become downloaded, and go to download folder. Open the folder where you have downloaded the VS Code. After that, just click right on it and run as administrator. So click on yes button. So click on I accept the agreement, then click next. After that, click next, then click next. If you want to have the shortcut on desktop, just click on this option, check this option, and then click next, and then install. Okay, just click on finish to finish the installation. Now the installation become completed. So you can go to the search button. You can go to search and the VS Code, Visual Studio Code, then click on it and it will become open. If you want to make a new file or open a new folder, just you can click on open the folder or go to file and click on open the folder. So I'm going to desktop and create a new folder, like for suppose for HTML, and enter. Now go to Visual Studio and click on file, then come to open the folder, go to desktop and open the HTML folder. So now you are in the HTML folder. You can create here a new file. Just close the welcome page and click here to create a new file like lesson 101.html and enter. Now here is your environment, and you can code here the HTML or CSS or JavaScript or other programming language. So if you want to change the themes, the color of your page, just go to setting, click on themes, and then color themes, just click on dark mode. Now it become dark. So it was the installation of Visual Studio. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much.